climb up that ladder on the crane.
Tegelikult on see jewelry store.
Oh. Don't look down, guys. Don't look down, guys.
Siis kukkusin alla.
Don't look down, guys.
No.
Oh no.
Guys, this is getting pretty spooky here.
Ära bodyblocki.
Sa oled gei.
So now I'm gonna need you to
Las
go
mina
down that
viskan
broken
seda
scaffold,
nööri, ma olen ägedam.
and then go
Anna
to the
siia,
rope
anna
over there.
siia, anna
Then
siia.
I need you to throw that rope over to
Siis
the
vale
building across
majale.
from you.
See on nii paha. My turn.
hüppa alla.
My turn. My turn. It's my turn. ma fucking twerkin päris õus praegu. My turn. No, mees, ma messin hell up. Oh my god. Miss, please. Let me do it.
Okay, fine.
Oota, veits, oota, debiilik. Debiilik! Sa ei oska, vale maja! ei viitsi
Ma arvasin, et sa ei see seal.
Ma ei viitsi mõppan alla kohe. Mõppan. What the fuck? Mees mõppan alla, ma ei viitsi. Okei.
Okei.
Okei, pidime restartima, sest see vend ei oska nööri visata.
Ta hüppas alla.
Sa ei oska nööri visata. Sa ei oska nööri visata.
Trio the Gamer hüppas alla, siis ta tahtis.
Nööri visata! Sven 16!
To the rope over there. Then
Okay.
I'm gonna need you to throw that rope over to the building across from you.
Tere, mida see vend jäppab?
Okay, now don't fall.
Stop
For a second,
yapping!
you're dying on me.
Oh my god, see vend higistab, no ma ei viitsi. Don't look down. No, ma vaatan alla.
Ta ei oska visata, noh.
Hey guys, catch us back.
Come on, bro!
Come on, I'm gonna catch it! miks see nii gracefully kukkus, ma ei jõudnud, me küll fucking rahulikult lendus. Oh my god!
Bridge for you guys to walk across. Then I'm gonna need everyone to get inside the helicopter.
Make
And then take a seat. And then we start moving over to the jewelry store.
Las mina viskan, sa ei oska mitte sitta. Ma hüppan jälle kohe surnuks, ma mõtlen sulle.
Ikka seal.
Oh, that looks pretty far down, bro. Oh, see respawni. Vaata alla, see respawni. Mees, vaata alla, see respawn. Mees, vaata alla. See I can make it!
Hired a
Mida sa
helicopter
teed?
to fly us over there
Sa oleks
so
saanud-
we can jump in.
Viska ma hiigesti debiili.
Put on a mask and go
Snooze
climb
you,
up
you
that ladder
monkey.
on the crane.
Mis mõttes just nõus ju? Mees, las mina viskan, please. Ma ei viitsi enam isegi aeglaselt üles ronida, sa fucking throw it. Sa throw it. Sa throw it. Guys, stop throwing. Kuradi debiil. Mida sa teed? Miks sa teed? Mis sa toimub? Ära katsu mida? See on mingi human centipede.
So I found a jewelry store that is pretty heavily guarded on the first 1 or 2
Mida
floors,
sa teed?
but on the top floor,
Mis on neljas kord?
Trio the Throw.
diamonds in there,
Miks sa
there's
alla
barely any security.
Miks sa body block'id?
So, how am I
Vaata, anna
mu
spiirang.
käsi ka ära.
I hired a helicopter
Ma ei saa hakkama.
to fly us over there so we can jump in. For now, I
Ai,
need
ai.
you guys to put on a mask and go climb up that ladder on the crane.
B-hop. Do.
Okay, so now I'm gonna need you to go down that broken scaffold.
Thomas,
And then go
mida sa
to
kuradi
the
narraator
Then
jäppab?
I'm gonna need you to
Miss,
throw that
please.
rope over to the building
Please.
across from you, and
Please,
then
just
walk over
please.
to that building.
Oh, thanks.
now don't
I
fall.
told you
It's
I'm
your
a
second
sweat.
highest I've
Go.
Alright. I'm a sweat. Throw it over! Be Skyler!
guys,
Throw it, you monk.
catch this bag.
Ask me now, Iskan, please. I ask.
Okay, fine.
Please.
Throw it.
My son!
So inside that bag is a collapsible ladder. What I'm gonna need
Okej,
you
ma ei
to
saanud
do is
üldse
throw that
seda
ladder
oskata.
to the helicopter. Make sort of like
No,
a
it
bridge
is-
for you guys to walk
ära
over.
istu maha, see on pädev.
Then I need everyone to get inside the helicopter. And then take a
Sa pead
seat.
istuma, et see kaks
We start to
minutit.
head over to the jewelry store.
Hey guys, I'm your pilot, Creed. I'm gonna be taking you guys over to the jewelry store so you guys can make your entry. Now please, just don't fall off.
Don't fall off! Oh fuck, ma meltin. Ma meltin läbi maa! Come on, good fine. No. It's coming inside of me! Open it, please!
Mis sa spämma seda trigger'i?
Ei, ma ei istu seal vedudele! Easy. Easy, man. Mis nüüd?
Well, I
Tõuse
don't know
püsti.
what you're waiting for. Just go on. Jump through the window. Okay, now
aa,
see
siin on
päris
window
äge.
või?
you have 20 seconds from now to bag all the gems and diamonds
got
and
it.
stuff and just throw it out the window. Now, I know that sounds bad, but don't worry. You throw it out the
Mix a
window,
whisk.
all the bags are cushioned, so nothing should break. Anyways,
That was
van driver here
close.
will bag everything
That was
and
close.
take it to the van. So,
No
throw
ma
it out the
teha
window,
väikse
and
pildi.
everything should be okay.
Ah, come on.
Come on, guys, the alarm's going off. Hurry up!
Ah, come on.
Ma jätan ühe pildi siia, et kõik saaks teada, et see on sina nüüd.
Ah, come on. Tegid.
Ma viskasin pildi sinust. Oh, oota!
That should be all of them. Thank you. I'll see you in
Where's
a
our-
bit.
Good job on
Where's
those
that
bags,
guy?
you guys. But Swag told me that the cops know that the window is broke, so let's go.
Oh no! The cops! Kui istud maha, saab pede. No balls, kui istud maha. No okei. Tõuse püsti, poiss. Get up! Oh,
Looks like we're pretty high here. Would be a shame if I fell off.
kuhu me lähme isegi? Meie teise panka.
Koju.
ei, kahtlen seda.
Vaata, mul on pähed vämerid, ma kukkusin läbi selle.
ja ma kahju me ei filmi.
Oh, I remember this place, bro. I remember this place.
mees sõi nii fucking siis fucking seisab tänu faal ja fucking kukub läbi seda.
Ah, I gotta land back at the construction site. There are some snipers on the roofs.
What? What? Kus need sniperid on?
Okay, okay, so, I got this idea, right? So, there's only one of you. I need
Get down,
one
sir.
person to go up into the crane and pull the lever in the operating room. But if there's multiple of you, I need the
Oota,
rest
ära
of you to
mine!
go stand on the
Ma
orange
tagasi!
crane that is being held by the crane, alright? Once everyone's in place, someone go up to the operating room, pull the lever,
Sniper
and then
monkeys.
we should be able to get the hell out of here.
Where are the snipers?
Wait, don't move
Ah!
the crane yet. You gotta make sure everyone is on that orange container first.
Oh shit!
And then you can move the crane, alright?
Ah! ma ei teadnud. oota, ma tulen. There were
sa
snipers.
pead ülesse tulema, mine alla!
Sorry, snipe, miks ma pean, mida?
sa pead selle oranži kreidi peale minema seal.
seal on ainult 2 kraani.
ei, mine sinna peale, selle oranži kreit, mis on lahti.
appi. Legu sealt peale. What the?
Wait, don't move the crane yet. You gotta make sure everyone is on that orange container first. And then you can move the crane, alright?
Sir! Move it, sir! Oh shit! Oh fuck! I'm gonna get down! Ugh. I'm gonna get down, sir! Help! Help me, sir! Sir, help! Aita mind! Ah! Aita mind! Help me! Ära jäta mind! LOL! What the flip
That's
is
gonna
going?
piss off some construction workers in the morning. But what I'm gonna need whoever was operating the crane to do is I'm gonna need you to get out of the room and then run across the crane. And then I'm gonna need you to jump onto the building opposite of the crane. Then jump down from each building until you're on the crane. Okay?
What? What? Oh. What goes that? Oh shit.
Congratulations, robbers. Money will be handed out to you guys soon after
What
we
the fuck?
get
What the-
fan off the roof. But
Mitä?
congratulations.
I'm taking a picture of that.
What the fuck? Me, teeme veel ühe heisti ja siis ongi vist läbi, davai, go, go, go.
Aga siin on mitu hästi.
Teeme ühe veel.
Is you're gonna
Monkey.
put on a mask and
Miks
after
sa
you put on
mingi
your mask,
lill oled?
we'll drop something via drone.
What the
And
flip?
it's gonna be a pair of bolt cutters and you're gonna cut
Monkey.
the lock off
Kurat, no, no.
this warehouse.
Miks ta... see on mingi, kas sa mingi ärkasid üles mingi kuradi, mis asi on? Kuradi talveunestu. What the fuck, man? Oota, wait.
They're in there.
It's
We need bolt
locked.
cutters. We
It's
need bolt
locked.
cutters, you
Meest.
Nigerian.
Okay.
Looks like that's getting cut out.
Oh, ma saan wall ride'ida. Mis me teeme?
Meil ei ole mingeid bolt cuttereid.
Shut up, monkey.
Kus me need? Siin.
Stop saying bad words!
Shut up.
Kui sa teadsid, et meil on vaja bolt cutterit, see kuradi chill.
Ma kuulsin. Ma arvan, et
Miks sa kukutaksid need? Okei. Ma viskasin ühe pähe. Kas ma saan nendest peksta anda või?
kuhu me läheme?
They call my ass!
Kuule, me vist läksime valesti.
Let's kill him.
Kuhu me peame üldse minema?
Oh. Kas sa teed mingi... Hey, full flopper, what the
Hey,
fuck?
robbers. So welcome back. And
I'm gonna get there before
I have
you.
a job here about a safe, right? It's about a safe, and some guy will split 50-50 if I get it from him. But you don't care about that. So what you're first gonna do is you're gonna put on a mask,
What?
and after you put on your mask, I will drop something via drone. It's gonna be a pair of bolt cutters, and you're gonna cut the lock off this warehouse.
Oh.
Kinky.
Kas tead, mis minu idee on või? Kas näed neid vendi, kes mingi patrullivad seda kohta on, nii? Vaata mind korraks. Haia! Oh. Oh.
So what you're first gonna do is you're
Mida
gonna
sa
put on a
teed? Sa
mask,
truid!
and
What the
fuck?
fuck?
I will drop something via drone.
Mida sa
And
truid?
it's gonna be a pair of
Stop!
bolt cutters, and you're gonna cut the lock off of this warehouse.
The lock off. Shut up, monkey.
I need the drone. I need the drone. Hand me the pliers. Hand me the bolt cutters.
Okay.
Give me it. They're mine. They're mine.
What the fuck? Kuidas sa seda... Kui me peame jälle restartima sinu pärast, siis swear to god, ma vähistan su terve pere ära. Sa kõige sitem ise jälle.
Don't fall.
Kuhu me üldse peame minema?
Oh!
We have to do.
Kuhu me nüüd lähme?
Me peame sinna minema, näed seda venti seal või? Ma failisin.
Okay, so now what you're gonna do is you're gonna head for that air vent on. Wait,
Me failisime.
Hold
Who's
on,
your
Robert, I'm
last
sorry. Someone's looking at me through the van. Hello?
Happe!
Hello?
tule siit!
Ah,
It's about as safe, and some guy will split 50-50 if I get it from him, but...
sa oled nii pasme! sa oled nii kuradi pass! sa
ma ei tea,
troovid
sa saad selle üles minna!
Drop something via...
miks sa hüppasid, mis on su helved?
ma mõtlesin, ma pean nagu hüppama sinna, siis tulema tagasi.
I need the bolt cutters. Give me them. Throw it over. Give me them. Give me. Give me, Jimmy. Give me, Jimmy. Give me. Give me now. Give me. Give me. Give me. Give me now.
What the fuck, kaua see? What the fuck? kus sa juba kätte said? Cheater.
Nad tulid juba, sa mingi... viska,
Ma ei tulnud.
Jimmy! Viska, Jimmy!
So,
Viska!
now what you're gonna do is you're gonna head through that air vent on... Wait. Hold on, Roberts, I'm sorry. Someone's looking at me through the van. Hello? Hello?
There's no one in the vents.
Hello?
Ah?
What the fuck?
no ma tegin seda ka juba. Esimest Strawberry's oli ka see. kõige esimesest.
Kuidas ma...
Jah, me teeme. Me hüppame.
Vaata, näed... Mis tu... Oh!
Oi, what was that? I better go check that out. Oi, what was that? I better go check that out.
mine laua alla, Paks!
I'm under there. What the flippity flippers?
Siin on nii lihtsus näha su sees. Me saame skämma vist mees. Kas ma... Ma vist istun maha raisk. What the flippity flippers is happening?
No one knows.
Vaata, me vist avasime käekella. Appi.
me teeme.
Think we make the push.
Aga siin saab ka peita või?
This is where you hide. Is he there? You have a visual?
No.
Wait. I'm in.
kus sa läksid?
What do you mean?
We need to help him.
Kas me nüüd on mingi rängad suhu või?
We need to save him. I know the code. 0,
siin on teine.
0, 0.
see on 1-0 midagi, 1-0 midagi.
Siia on 0-0-0.
see on 1-0 midagi.
Kus sina seda tead, Bertas?
Is it in here? Is it in the trash?
Oh, see on päris siga.
sa oled nii loll, see on 1-0-3 panen.
Asa mina panen, ma oskan.
see on prügikasti taga oli see 3.
Ei olnud. Vaata, ma kirjutan.
oli.
103.
What the flip? No! Leave him alone!
Do you honestly think I'm that dumb? Do you think I want to see you on security cameras? Anyways, what do I have? Your old friend's leg.
Võitis ta pea ära! Ei!
Word of advice. Only take jobs
Oh.
from people you know, guys.
Every cop is on the scout on you now. You'll pay for your crimes, don't you worry. Anyways, guards,
Don't worry.
take him away.
I'll expose you.
Oh. Mõtlesin, et sa sai läbi.
Let me out.
Oh. Appi.
Take him down. Go.
What the fuck?
Get him!
Veid motherfucker.
He's coming! Wait, I'm gonna get
Tony,
it.
Tony. kuradi dildo mina veel leidsin.
Dumbass bitch.
Oh, ma leidsin mingi dildo.
Leidsin nüüd tüki dildost.
Mina ka.
Piece of a dildo. I'll find 3
Aa.
Siis viskas maha. Fuck yeah. Wait, we have to find a dildo. Oh, need ma veidin neid vend. He's coming for my buttocks. Holy
Kus see
fuck,
viimane
need on...
jutt vaadis? Ma leidsin pulga ka.
Oh!
Where's this flipper?
Oota. Help! Oh man. Oh. Take it! Oh.
Open it! Open it!
Oh, so many backrooms, what the fuck?
Left or right? Right is always...
Okay. See you later. There's a guy in here. Asu meie sõber.
jah.
Sa võtsid ta pea ära.
Ow.
Miks sa nii väike oled?
oota, äkki peaks kuulama, mis ta räägib.
Oh, ta on läinud.
Hey, I'm almost there. Get those snipers off the dune so I can come in and pick you guys up.
Oh, ma ei pihta. See on mõme reaalselt Stormtrooper. Oh, you did it!
Tegma.
Oh, osa veel! Mis meil on siuksed higid mees? It's it! Kas sa nägid, kuidas see tripis?
Alright, guys, I'm here. I'm not leaving empty-handed, though. Go check back inside and see if you can find any more money bags in there.
Kas me nagu...
Need või? Need või?
There's no money bag.
Ei.
There's no money bag.
Oh!
I found a money bag!
Oh my god! I found... Kas sa võid... Oh, kas sa võid... Oh! Oh! Mees! Kas sa võid... Reloadi mu püssi, please.
Sa saad kotti oma taha panna.
Reloadi mu püssi.
Tropi see!
Throw it.
Pane see kott oma taha!
Ei. Okay.
Let's get out of here, folks.
Oh, what the fuck?
I'm getting too old for this kind of stuff.
Palju sa veel?
Ka veel leidma.
I'm gonna blow! Mis raha siin on? What the flippy flip? Miks sa nii quiet on? Miks sa mingi quiet kid on? Kas sa saad neid tulistada või? Kus kõik on?
Nüüd jooksid minema, vaata shelfide vahele. Näitsin kotti siit.
I found one!
Okei, see...
I found one!
No ei tee nüüd. Anna see mulle, sa ei oska.
See on mu sede peal.
Ei ole.
on küll.
lase oma teine käsi siis lahti.
ei, see on mu selja peal. ma panin juba ära, vaata, mul 2 kätt. näed, debiilik.
kus su teine on?
see on mu selja peal. It's on my back, stop crying. okei, I m depositing. ma võtsin selle pealt ära.
muidugi sina arvad selle viimane.
Oh, let's go.
Hello?
Yeah! ma arvan, me lõpetame video siin, on ju, Svens? Svens. ei, me ei tea lõpp. Part 2.
Coming soon, my Sigmas.
This is honesty. This is the part 2 coming. This is the part 2 coming soon, miss. Say it.
Say it with me. Part 2 coming soon. Say it with me. The Beanic. Part 2 coming soon. Yeah!
Coming to.